Hey guys, today I'll be showing you where to get the rooftop hat ticket. So starting at Fridgebot, you want to make your way straight up, right across the bridge, and up this building directly across the bridge. Once you're at this edge, you're going to want to jump up to this area. And now you're just going to be scaling this building. It's right in the store. Another way is to climb up to the top of the blank and glide off once you have the glider wings upgrade. So thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, please consider liking and subscribing. And let me know down in the comments which hat ticket guide you'd like to see next. Thanks so much. Have a good day.